In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the font bigger in Google Calendar. It's a common issue to find the default font size a bit too small for comfort, especially if you're working on a screen with a high resolution or if you often find yourself squinting at your screen trying to decipher your schedule. Worry not, in just about 5 minutes you'll learn an easy fix to enhance your Google Calendar readability without needing any complex software or skills. First things first, let's start with the basics. Accessing your Google account. Head over to Google and there, in the top right corner, you'll see the sign in button. Click on it. This will lead you to the login page where you should select your Google account and enter your password. Once your credentials are in, hit next to proceed. Now that you're signed into your Google account, you're going to want to find your way to Google Calendar. Look for the Google Apps icon. It's a small grid of dots located again at the top right of the screen. Clicking on this icon will unveil a range of Google apps and services. From this selection, find and click on Google Calendar. It's typically symbolized with a blue square that has a white calendar inside of it. Next, we're going to delve into a slightly different direction to achieve our main goal. This involves making a small detour to Google Chrome. The reason behind this is that we're going to adjust the font size through the browser settings, which in turn will affect how text displays on Google Calendar as well. Once you're in Google Chrome, direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. There you'll find the 3 dots icon, which signifies the settings menu. A click on this will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. You're looking for settings located towards the bottom of that list. Go ahead and give that a click. In the settings menu, there's a handy search bar at the top. Use this feature to search for fonts. By typing in fonts, Chrome will automatically highlight and navigate you to the relevant settings without having to scroll through menus. Look for the option that says Customize Fonts. It's usually a bit down the page, so you might need to scroll slightly. When you click on Customize Fonts, you'll find yourself in the section where you can quite literally customize your fonts, including their sizes. Here you'll see 2 main sliders, one for the font size and another for the minimum font size. To make your Google Calendar font bigger, you'll want to adjust these sliders to your liking. Dragging the slider to the right increases the font size, so adjust it until you find a size that's comfortable for you. After you've adjusted the font size to your preference, it's time to check the results of your efforts. Navigate back to Google Calendar. You should witness the changes reflected immediately, with text appearing larger and more readable. It's as simple as that. And here's a bonus tip before we wrap up. If ever you need a quick font size adjustment or you're not satisfied with the global change, remember that you can also zoom in and out in your browser. This can be done by holding down the Ctrl key while scrolling up or down with your mouse wheel. This method allows you to temporarily enlarge or decrease the size of the content displayed, offering a quick fix whenever you need it. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to making Google Calendar font bigger, ensuring your calendar is easier on the eyes and your schedule easier to manage. Remember, the key to a productive day is often in the small details, like being able to navigate your calendar with ease. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and be sure to tweak your settings until you find that sweet spot for your eyes.